Hello viewers, you are most welcome to Ideal English tutorial. Today we will practice another session of spoken English. Here with me I have two students. What is your name?
My name is Somo Mandal.
What is your name?
My name is Sohan Jaina.
Okay. So today we will discuss about the IPL. We will discuss about the performance of the players. We will discuss about their victory. Okay. So you all are most welcome. Now tell me which team is your favorite in this season and why?
My favorite team is RCB. It is a great franchise. The king of cricket, Virat Kohli, played in this team. He is most of the cricketers' cricketing idol. He played really well and looking forward to win the first IPL trophy.
Okay. So what I'll tell to both of you that you don't feel nervous. Okay, maybe that we are doing practice this time and we whatever we will do very casually and very freely. Okay. So now you tell me that which is your favorite team in IPL and
Okay.
why?
My favorite team is CSK because there is my ideal Dhoni. I follow his idealisms and not only a player. I also prefer his good human behaviors. So that's why I love CSK and MSD.
Okay, very nice. So who do you think will win the IPL this season and why?
In the IPL, there are many tough teams, but RCB played really well. First two matches to win. It is a great knock by the whole team. All players are in good form. Maybe I think RCB will win the first trophy for this time.
Okay. So as you were saying that RCB played really well this year and they won for the two matches. Okay, that's a very good beginning for your team. And now you say that which team will win as you hope?
There are very tough teams in this 18th season and
18 seasons.
and I think it will be CSK again for the sixth time.
Yeah. CSK has already the record of winning 5 times.
Yes.
Yeah. So very nice. So all of you are speaking really nice. So now you tell me that what is the impact of foreign players in this IPL?
The foreign players are really impactful in this IPL. We know about their game plan, their strategy, how they will play in the game. Our domestic cricketers also inspired by the foreign players. It is very helpful to play the foreign players in the India.
Okay. So now you tell me that what kind of impact do you find by the foreign players?
As he said that domestic players got the inspiration, and other side our economics will grow by increasing of the IPL viewers by the foreigners. The foreigners will visit IPL and our economy will grow more.
Okay. Very nice. So now just tell me that how much hopeful you are about the performance of Virat Kohli.
I am really hopeful. RCB played really well, and the king of cricket, Virat Kohli, played in his prime time. From the championship, he got his prime time. Now he played really well. In the first match versus KKR, he scored 59 out of 30 balls, and in the second match, he also performed well. I think it will be a great season for RCB.
Okay. And though Dhoni is there, but the team is losing again and again.
Yes.
And so what? How much hopeful you are about Dhoni?
Actually, he is not captain. The captain is Ruturaj Gaikwad, and I am very hopeful that CSK will win his 6th IPL trophy. I am very confident.
You are very confident about the
Victory of CSK.
Okay. So my best wishes to both of you. Okay. So we will practice speaking in this way. Okay. Let's enjoy the IPL. Okay. All the best. Love English. English will love you.